Have you heard about the fastest-growing network marketing company in the world? It's called LiveGood, and it's unlike anything you've seen before. With life-changing products that are revolutionizing the health and wellness industry, LiveGood offers you the chance to save up to 75% on top-quality nutritional supplements. Imagine boosting your well-being without breaking the bank. But it doesn't stop there. LiveGood has a breakthrough marketing system that's designed to help you succeed, even if you've never been in network marketing before. This system makes it fun, easy, and most importantly effective to build your own business from anywhere in the world. LiveGood's unique compensation plan allows you to earn multiple income streams, not just from your own efforts but from your team's success too. Thousands of people are joining every week. This is the opportunity of a lifetime. Why is LiveGood exploding in growth? Because it offers real value, both for your health and your wealth. People are getting healthier, saving money, and transforming their financial future all at the same time. Don't miss out. Take a free tour of the LiveGood system today and see for yourself how you can save money, improve your health, and create a profitable business without the usual headaches of traditional MLMs. Visit joinstevo.com and take your free tour right now. What are you waiting for? The future you've been dreaming of is just one click away. Click the link below in the description.